Hi there guys and welcome back to my channel Glossips. Today I'm here to talk to you all. साथ साथ मैं अपना हेयर केयर रूटीन भी करूँगी which is clearly just oiling my hair. लेकिन there are so many things जिसके बारे में मुझे आप लोगों से बातें करनी थी and I just felt like मैं कभी कर नहीं पाई and so I wanted to do them today. So if you're not into these kind of videos, I feel like you should skip. But if you want to know what's happening, what's up, what's going on, you should stay tuned. So I've just come back from a walk. पूरे दिन का सनस्क्रीन मेरे ऊपर अभी लगा हुआ है. My hair is a mess, but because it's a Friday, so today is going to be my hair oiling day so that I can get my hair ready for the weekend. That's what I usually do. This is my hair oil right here. मैंने इसकी पूरी वीडियो बनाई हुई of how I made this oil, but yeah, I put it in this new bottle recently because I really loved this one. So I'm sure कि आप सबको पता है और आप लोग notice भी कर रहे हैं that I am not very active on this channel for quite some time now, and उसकी reason honestly मैं भी नहीं guess कर पा रही थी that what is happening, why I'm not being able to just be myself and just make videos. Like I felt more comfortable on the vlogging channel because I could just be myself. लेकिन इधर भी कोई restriction नहीं थी. I could have just been myself, but there was something that was stopping me to a crazy level. और मुझे कल तक ना ये चीज़ properly समझ में भी नहीं आई और शायद आज तक समझानी भी नहीं आई होगी. So I thought I'll talk about it with you guys because honestly that's how I started this channel 10 years ago. I used to talk to you guys. I used to tell you everything that was happening. So I'm just going to like start sectioning my hair first of all. Please don't mind if I look away. मेरा दूसरा मिरर वहाँ पे है जिसमें मैं सही से देख सकती हूँ. So ऐसा नहीं था that I completely abandoned my channel Glossips. I was trying to keep making videos even after I opened GBB. I was working like a full-time boss. Like मुझे नहीं पता आप में से कितनों को पता है being business owners, even if it's a small business owner, that कितना time, effort ये सारी चीज़ें लगती हैं इन सब चीज़ों में. And उस सब के अलावा अगर आप कुछ करना चाहो तो उसके लिए आपको कितनी effort करनी पड़ती है. So I was actually making an effort in trying to just glossip. But the thing is, I was getting a lot of comments from a lot of people saying कि you have changed Fatma, तुम्हारे अंदर वो वाली vibe नहीं रही, तुम्हारे अंदर कुछ missing हो गया है, क्या हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ. And honestly speaking, I felt like the best version of myself since I have turned 26. Like that has been the best version of me that I can say I've ever been in. But the fact कि लोग इस तरह से कह रहे थे कि तुम्हारी वाइब को क्या हुआ है, what's happened to you, why are you like off, is everything okay, that puts you in a very weird situation because obviously you're like क्या हो गया है, like am I less fun now? Because obviously like when you're aging, which I'm 28 years old right now. I started this channel when I was 18 years old. तो एक decade हो चुका है, 10 साल, और इस 10 साल में क्या क्या बदला है मैं तो गिनवा भी नहीं सकती. You guys have actually been in the journey with me. So like when people start talking about this and you're already in the phase of growing, of aging, of changing, you start feeling कि हाय like मेरे अंदर की जो एक वो happy spark थी वो लोगों को नज़र क्यों नहीं आ रही. Like is it gone? Is it not there anymore? और उल्टा आप अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करना शुरू कर देते हो and you're like क्या सीन है भाई. But actual में जो वो पूरी चीज़ थी, that was change, that was growth. I mean you can't expect a person to be the same version of themselves जो कि वो 10 साल पहले थे. That is completely insane. I mean if I tell you कि आप बिल्कुल वही बन जाओ जो आप अपने यूनिवर्सिटी ईयर्स में थे, आप बोलोगे यार मतलब that's completely impossible honestly because ऐसा हो नहीं सकता ना. मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं हूँ अब, मेरी लाइफ बहुत डिफरेंट है. So for better or worse, things started changing rapidly in my life. And उसके साथ साथ obviously जब वक्त बदलता है तो आपको भी बदलना पड़ता है. You have to grow with time or else वक्त आगे निकल जाएगा और आप वही पीछे stupid से और बिल्कुल ही जैसे unwise से रह जाओगे. And that's not something that I wanted to do, not something I could do. My life didn't allow that. One of the major changes that happened, for better or for worse, सबसे पहले तो ये हुआ ना that 3-4 years ago I moved from Lahore to Karachi, which was like a completely बिग चेंज, इट वॉज अ वेरी बिग चेंज। ऑल्दो मैं कराची में ही रहती थी इससे पहले, बट वो एक 5-6 साल जो आपकी ग्रोथ डिफाइनिंग ईयर्स होते हैं वो मैंने वहाँ गुजारे थे लाहौर में। एंड देन आई केम बैक टू माई ओल्ड लाइफ विच वॉज अ कम्प्लीटली न्यू लाइफ। तो पहले तो वो चेंज था, बट इट वॉज द मोस्ट पॉजिटिव चेंज इन माई लाइफ आई वुड से। उसके बाद 2 years ago I lost my taya. If you guys follow me on my vlogs, you guys know that he was the head of my family. He was the man of our house. And I came from a family, a very small family of 4 people. My grandmother, my sister and me. That's it. So that's a really huge change. I'm sure कि सुन के ही समझ में आ रहा है कि कितना बड़ा चेंज होगा ये लाइफ के अंदर. That changes you as a person. It makes you either smarter or stupider. And the situation that me and my younger sister were in, we both had to become smarter, stronger, wiser for our grandma, for each other. And I think that also made me what I am right now. Uske baad, I got married. Adds to all of the change in the life, right? Then my sister went away to Ireland for her studies. Again, short of one more family member. I'm just going to try and get into this area first. Even at the time of my shadi preps, I was working on building GBB at that time. I was 26 years old and I was working on a project that I don't know, most people my age can only dream of. But alhamdulillah, I was working on that. और साथ साथ मैं अपनी शादी की preparations भी कर रही थी while I had just lost the most important member of my family, my taya, right? So obviously इसके बाद I got married. शादी के बाद changes come, they do come, you guys know that. और वो changes बहुत सारे होते हैं, positive changes होते हैं, physical changes होते हैं, जैसे कि weight gain होता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, and all of these things affect you in a good way or in a bad way. But again, see, I don't see things the same way that I used to see them back when I was 18 years old, because वो लाइफ जो थी वो बिल्कुल ही कोई अलग लाइफ थी, वो इंसान जो थी वो भी बिल्कुल ही कोई अलग इंसान थी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैं कोई अब बहुत ही सीरियस, सोबर और बोरिंग किस्म की इंसान हूँ. दैट्स नॉट हु आई एम. I'm still very fun, very interesting, and I still love most of the things that I used to love, but not all of them. Literally, honestly, not all of them. Because उस time पर full glams were a thing. I'm just going to massage this in really nicely. Full glams were a thing, and my focus was to film a lot of full glam videos. I used to film a lot of skincare, hair care related things, but obviously now a lot has changed in this manner as well. Not into full glams anymore. That doesn't resonate with me anymore. That looks cakey. That brings out the fine lines, the wrinkles, and it just makes me look older. I don't want that. So that perspective changed. Although मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं की पहले videos लगाया करती थी. I am not into making heavy skincare videos anymore because that's not what I do in my life. मतलब पहले अगर मैं acne पे focus करती थी because I was, you know, in that adult acne phase, because I was a young adult at that time. अब I'm literally nearing my 30s. I'm 28 for God's sake. My focus is on sunscreen, retinol, anti-aging products, snail mucin, all of these type of things, right? Plus कितना time होता है ये सारी चीज़ें करने का. So you know, like कितना difference आ जाता है इन सारी चीज़ों के अंदर. And that is the difference that I'm talking about, person wise as well. जब product preference इस तरीके से change हो गई है तो imagine ना कि बंदा भी तो कितना change हो जाएगा with time. यहाँ तक कि मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी तेल तक नहीं लगाया था अपने बालों में, और अब मैं बैठ के recipes ढूंढ रही हूँ hair oils की that work for, you know, like the hair health, because with time वो hair health भी नहीं रही obviously. Like अब बाल कम हो रहे हैं, ग्रे हो रहे हैं. I have so many grey hair in my head right now. I know I probably sound 38 rather than 28. I'm not that old, but I'm just talking about the changes, you know, कि कितनी सारी चीज़ें with time change हो जाती हैं, and you have to cater to those. You have to be that person in the moment. अब मैं मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस वाली बन के एकदम से वो हरकतें करूँ जो कि टीनेजर्स कर रहे हैं अभी. Will I look good? Will it make sense? It won't, and it doesn't, which is why I can't act like the way I used to, because I'm not that person. The reason I'm making this video today is not to rant about anything. That is not at all what I want to do. और अगर इस तरह से कुछ लग रहा है तो I'm really sorry, because that's not what I want to do. The reason I'm making this video today right now is कि मुझे कल एकदम से realize हुआ how much I used to love making these videos. लेकिन अब मैं उनसे उस तरीके से relate नहीं कर पा रही होती because people start expecting me to be that same girl. And I'm not that same girl anymore. I mean, it shows. But I'm a better version of me. I'm a growing version of me, and this will only keep evolving. So I want to make videos that I personally am passionate about. Like, I'm passionate about grooming, I'm passionate about hair care, I'm passionate about skin care, makeup, all of these things. मगर उनका perspective अब बहुत फ़र्क है. Like, I would want to make them the way I do them, not just to, I don't know, follow the trend or anything. You understand? So yeah, I just wanted to get this out of my system, and I wanted to talk to you all about it while I massage my hair oil in, so that if you guys can be a little supportive to me, towards me, for the kind of content that I want to create, I would really love it, because I really want to focus on this one thing that I built when I was 18 years old, because I still love it. ऐसा नहीं है that I've completely lost my passion for it. I love it. It's hard to manage time for it now, not gonna lie about that, because obviously I have a full-time business that I have to take care of. I have a family, I have myself, I have a husband, I have my other family, like so much that your time just gets divided into कि खुद के लिए या फिर अपनी पसंद, जैसे को तो ना शौक की चीज़ों के लिए टाइम कम बच जाता है. That's happening, that's life. But I still want to be able to make time to do this. I still want to do it, but I need your support to be able to do this properly in the way that I want to do it. So I hope that you guys will be with me on this journey, and let's rebrand Glossips from today. Like, let's make this into how Glossips grew, I guess, or maybe how she's starting her new journey as an older version of herself, a better version of herself. That is the scene. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. By the way, इस ऑयल का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. यू कैन चेक इट आउट, एंड इस बॉटल का भी दे देती हूँ, सो यू कैन चेक दिस आउट एज वेल इफ यू वांट टू गेट इट. दैट्स इट. आई एम गोइंग टू लेट दिस सिट इन फॉर लाइक 1 or 2 hours. Then I'll go wash it off and properly style my hair. That I'll probably leave for some other video. Abhi ke liye itna hi. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you guys encourage me and be there on my journey of growth. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.